So, okay guys, so we're here at our day 8. So, day 8 session 1, 10, 15, 20, 25. So, our starting balance is 2,063. We have a commission of 63. So, now we're gonna target to have 26, okay? 26. So, let's go 26. So, we're on profit 500. So we're gonna target 26. Gonna have 26. Let's make it full screen. 26. And then we're gonna go for 26. Multi-table. So I really want this strategy because what do you call this? I like this strategy because I can bet on multiple tables at once. I wanna bet there. It's lag. Why it's lagging? I should have won. Okay, it's lagging. So maybe it's still loading because I just opened my PC. Let's go. I don't wanna bet there. So let's just wait. So this is the trigger. So let's go. Oh, win. Okay. 1-0. Got the W there. So another. Basically need 11 units for the 2-6. Okay, bunker 1 here. Not yet. 6 versus 5. Oh, I lost. Next bet. Okay, we have 2 bets here. This is what I like here. I can bet on multiple tables at once. Okay, I win here. Should have got the win there. Oh, it's a tie. Okay, another. I won't bet here. This is always 8. So they don't want there. The win is so small. We got 3 bets. Okay, here, and here. What happened? So it's a tie again. Okay, I think I'm gonna lose here. Okay, I'm losing on the all 3 bets. Oh, okay. I lose again. So that's gonna be my second bullet. So I'm gonna bet my third bullet. Another. Okay, third bullet. All bet is in third bullet. So we're having a hard time here. We're having a hard time today. So but it's all right. Oh, 1-0. 1 is in the bag. Okay, let's bet there. 6, good number. Okay, nice. 0, nice one. Okay, and then we got it all. We got it all back. So we're up 2-2. So we're on 2-2. Picture. Oh, not. Oh, okay. 2-2-70. So our target is 2-6. So we're getting near. We're at the halfway point. We're almost at the halfway point. So let's just continue. Okay. Where are we now? Maybe I'll bet here. 5. 7 versus 5. So, oh, I lost. So, here and here. 5 another loss. All 3 bet again at 100. 5 versus 3. I'll win. 6. It's a tie. A tie. So 2 ties. Got an 8. Oh, another 8. Fuck. This will be 200. This will be 100. It's hard today, no? It's quite hard today, but still I'm winning. Not yet. So I'm gonna bet. This is my first time betting the 4th bet today. So we're at our 4th bet. So we are at our 4th bet. Oh, we're gonna use our 5th bet. Hopefully this win, and if this don't win, so we're gonna cash in 600 this afternoon. Another loss. So that's it for today, but we can still, we're gonna try. Oh, so super speed. Damn, that's super speed. And then we're gonna win. We just lost the we can still win here. It's not that long shot. Okay, we're still gonna try to win here. Okay. Six versus 2. Another loss. Loss. So should have not tried. Okay. All lost. Okay, if we lost here, we're gonna bet our 400 last bet. So if we lost here, we should win here. Another loss. Should have stopped. I win. Okay, we still have a chance. $200. So we're gonna bet 200 on these two. When we lost both, we can't bet, what do you call this? But we win. So we still got 200 as a bet. Picture. Not that good. Don't reduce, please. Okay, bet on player. Why did we bet here? Oh shit. Please win. Okay, win. Reduce. Nice one. We're recovering. We're getting there. Picture. Nice one. We're getting there. Oh fuck. We lost. Oh no, we lost all. We lost all. But we're recovering. Okay. We are recovering. Okay. Oh no. I thought it's okay, but fuck, draw. It's a tie. I thought it's okay, but not. Ay. Should have got the 1-5 there. No, another loss. Okay, 2. But we can still bet 800 here, I think. No, not 800, but we can all in. 2-4 all in. That's what we're gonna do. 2-4 all in. Okay. 2-4 all in, but we don't need to do that. Okay, for the 1-5. So our session will be longer for this session if we're gonna go target 2-6. Because we lost 1-550. It's a tie. We lost 1-550, so it's gonna be a long session. 6 tie, so 9. I lost there. Oh, 8. Fuck. 2 bet, 100 bet. Okay, we're still at okay. Picture. Nice. Okay. At least I won the 100 bet, so I'm gonna bet 100 there. I'm at 1-2. We're getting close. Picture. Nice. Seven is good. Nice. No addition. We lost. Seven also lost there. So 200 bet again. 100 bet. Or we're gonna bet. So there. We're getting close, but we're also getting close to get whack again. Oh, another 8. Fuck. Oh. Ah. How much did we lose there? 50, so 100. To 200 bet. So we're getting close to getting whack. 5 versus 4 is a good. Oh, another loss. Maybe it's not our day. Oh, maybe it's not our day. Hi, it's not our day today, so we're just gonna cash in again. I guess that's it. I guess that's it for today. We're gonna wait there, the top. So if we won there, we can bet 800. But if not, we will stop. Should have won. Fuck. Ah. I'll go bet here. Okay, I go bet there. So if we lost, we're gonna stop. Oh, we lost. Oh, fuck. We lost. Okay, so we're gonna stop here. Oh no. Okay. Start to accept defeat, but we accept defeat right now. So guys, thank you.